Lesson 8.4 is finding y-intercepts and roots of polynomials. First directions say find the y-coordinate of the y-intercept of the polynomial function defined below. Already talked about this in the beginning, but as a reminder, when you have a y-intercept, say your function did something like this, this guy right here has an x value of 0, and then your y value will be a number. Sometimes it goes to the origin at 0, 0, but most of the time it's a number. And so to find it, you're just plugging in 0 for x. Plug in x equals 0, and then you're solving for the y. And remember, this is a fancy way of writing y. So y will equal -2 times 0 plus 3 squared times 5 times 0 minus 1 cubed. 0 plus 3 is 3 squared. That will be 9. So we'll have -2 times 9. 5 times 0 is 0 minus 1 is -1 to the third power. Negative times a negative is a positive times another negative is back to a -1. -2 times 9 is -18. But -18 times -1 is 18. So it's at the point 0.018, but they just want the y value. That's in factored form. Now in standard form, it's even easier because remember, you're just replacing every x value with 0. So all this is multiplication. That's gone, that's gone, that's gone, that's gone. It's just the constant. So y is 5. Pretty simple. So then I combine it with this part, which is also very simple. It says the graph of y equals f of x is shown below. What are all the real solutions of f of x equals 0? You just need to know that that's where is y 0, which really means where are the x-intercepts, right? Because y is 0 every time it's on the x-axis. And so you're just looking for every point where there's an x-intercept. And I think you just list them out of the numbers. So we'll say -4, -2, 6, and 8. And that would be it on that one. And then number 4, see how it bounces here off of there. It still touches, even though it doesn't cross through. At -4, it goes through at 1, and it goes through at 6. And in the future, we'll start talking about why sometimes it crosses through the x-axis and sometimes it bounces or just touches it and bounces back the same direction. We'll talk about why that happens.